guys, the first thing I want to show you is found object printing, and I'm going to print directly onto my piece of fabric, which I have here. I've got my neat styrofoam tray, I've got my foam roller, I've got my paint, and this is my found object. It's an old wooden spool. You can use anything for this. Things from the recycle bin work really well. So this is like an old yogurt cup that I've been printing with to make circles. Bubble wrap, like anything you can find in your recycling bin works really well. So this is my piece of fabric. I want to make sure it's nice and flat. And I'm going to start with black ink. I'm just going to put a small dime-sized amount into my styrofoam tray. So I'm not going to start with too much. Don't get too crazy with the paint. And then I'm going to take my foam roller and roll it out so that it's nice and flat. And this will also tell you if you need more. So you want like a flat square, so I need some more ink or paint. And I'm going to keep rolling that out until it's a nice flat. So you can see that my foam roller is nice and even with the paint. I'm going to roll it onto my object. Make sure it's nice and coated. And I'm going to use that to use as like a stamp. I want to repeat that pattern quite a few times, so I'm going to roll into my paint. And I'm going to continue using this as a stamp. When you set your roller down, it's a good idea to set it facing up so you don't get paint everywhere. And I'm just going to continue this process until I like the print that I've made. As you can see, I'm just kind of making a pattern. You can also feel free to have multiple found objects, so if you want to alternate to create some sort of different pattern, or you can use the same object over and over, so I would continue doing this until it's all filled up.